Yo, what's up traders, welcome to a new video. So in this video I'll be going over how to create a watch list in TradingView. So over here we have TradingView, and it is a free charting tool. So if you have signed up, this is what you should see. Over here on the right side we have your watch list, and as you can see over here I have many forex pairs and a few indices, and commodity, of course, gold, over here displayed. It's really easy how you do that. First, of course, you can here create a list. It's really simple to do. Create a new list. You can always also import a list, and you can play around with it, rename it, whatever you want. But okay, that's the first thing you do, and then you click over here, add symbol. So I click on that, and then you can just select the symbol you want, and always look at the broker, specific broker. But you can just play around with it, and then you just click on add to watch list. And if you have clicked on the add to watch list, over here you can filter it, use funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, whatever you prefer. But once you have clicked on that, then it should appear over here, and it's that simple. Also this advanced view, I personally don't use that, but if you want, then this is something you can do as well. But I don't do that. And here are a few settings. If you want a volume, if you want to include extended hours, whatever you want, you can just select it. So that's it basically. It's really simple to add a watch list in TradingView. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.